Hey, Namaskaram. This is YunusPK and welcome to the volume 4 of my rebuilding my personality website YunusPK with React.js. So this is what my calendar looks like. So I just went with my friends in an evening out just some hours before, and now I'm coding the thing, coding my website. And I'm gonna code up to 1 a.m. and then I'm gonna just listen to some podcasts and I'm gonna sleep. And tomorrow again from the morning I'm gonna code. So right now we do not have so many work to do. We have this thing, feed real data to projects data. This is what we have to do right now, which gonna be like a very simple and straightforward work. So we're gonna go for that now. So now I'm gonna open up my WSL2 engine and it's on. I'm gonna just hover to my directory. I'm gonna open this code in this desktop, and now I'm gonna put npm start. Again here I'm gonna start the Chrome. I already have a localhost open here and another tab just gonna open. Okay, here we got another tab. We do not need two tabs. We do not need this as well. We do not need this as well. And yeah, that's it. And I reload and we got it. We have the project here. We have the code here. So what I'm gonna do is right now we're gonna feed real data in this thing. So in the previous project, what we have done, worked in the navbar, and we created that this thing under development page, and like we debugged something that not rendering thing. We debugged that. And now in this volume I'm just gonna feed real data into these things. So I'm gonna open up XD here. Okay, we do not need XD today, but okay, but anyway, because it's like that's how I organize my development setup. I'm just gonna open XD here, and this is becoming volume 5. Probably I mistakenly said volume 4 at the beginning, but it's volume 5. All right. And here we have our voice recording. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take data from here. So I'm gonna add these real data. So I have some pinned repos here like these. I guess I have better projects than these. This Vipalika, Adbrava, Tasker in React, Pix fetching app, widget app. Okay. So we're gonna add these things. First of all, these Adbrava. So where do we have in the data? Probably no. Probably we have in the pages, and then landing page, then data, and here we have projects data. Okay, I have to create database. So the next thing that I have to do is I have to create database for these things. I'm gonna task that thing here. Design the web further. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. But then after that, what I'm gonna do is create JSON server and migrate data. That's it. And it's backend comma server. What the hell? Server, and it's building YunusPK medium. Okay, that's a task that I have to do after this. Okay, so now we're gonna feed real data. I'm not gonna create bodies now because that's a huge thing, but I think we have good readme files and that we can put over here, but that too I have to change. Like I have to convert those MDs to HTML. So yes, this is a manual work and I hate that. Anyways, we gotta do that. Add Prava, path name gonna be add Prava subtitle. I'm gonna open up add Prava in another tab. Subtitle gonna be this. Subtitle is kind of like a description. Okay, we got it. A very small subtitle. And in this thing, in the body, we're gonna say hello from project. Or do we have anything? Oh, we got actually a pretty good amount of readme, which we cannot include in that. It's huge. We can just include the introduction thing. Yes, we can just add this introduction. So what we're gonna do is, and we got a div here. Okay, not that, the up one. So we got a div here and we got a h2 here. We're gonna give it a class name of, and this is hard. This is really hard because okay, now you gotta, like, this is JSON, you cannot use that. Okay, so we cannot use backtick, so we're gonna have single quotations I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna give it a class name of text 3xl, and this entire thing gonna be introduction, and then we're gonna have another div probably, or p, okay, p tag, and a closing p tag. I think I should create more lines. Okay, so we cannot create lines. Can we use backticks? I guess we cannot. Okay, we cannot use backticks. But why can't we use multiple lines? That's kind of weird now. Okay, so what can we do? Just gonna put that thing here. I have to change the model. Like, this is pretty bad model for this. Like, I have to somehow manage to do markups like MD files. If you go to YunusPK, you wanna see like what the hell is happening here, right? Like, this thing doesn't have any class names. Class name and text 3xl, we have the right thing, but it's not working. And why is it not working? We got the h2, we got the class name and text dash 3xl and introduction and h2 closing, but we do not have that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just remove the h2, like the heading. We don't need any heading. I'm gonna remove this p tag as well. That's what we got. Just a text, and that looks pretty bad, right? That looks pretty bad. Also, this is going like I have to change the padding of that thing. I'm gonna do those things later on. Okay, we got the Adprava. Now the link. We do not have a link here. Okay, we have a path name. That path name is like, okay, now this is getting crazy over here. I want to redirect this to GitHub. So this path name would be complete URL. Path name would be renamed to URL. Now here's everything gets hefty now. Okay, gonna have elements, not elements, sections, project section. We're gonna find path name. We have two path names, here path name and here path name. I'm gonna change both path name with URL. Okay, change that to URL. And we're not gonna leave this projects, then this thing. We're not gonna give that projects. We're not gonna use a link component as well, but that's gonna be a problem. Okay, we're just gonna use anchor tags. Okay, no, we have to use this, but certainly not these expressions. Okay, no. Okay, now that's good. Key and all that, everything's good. When I use an anchor tag rather than a link tag, anchor tag, and this 2 will be href, so it is small screen. Then we got another thing here, link. This is gonna change as well. Okay, so it's active project.url and it's projects data I. It's I and it active project, so just active projects changes, right? Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change this thing, key. What was the key? Oh, we do not need key here, come on. And now this project, and it's gonna be active project.url, and everything's fine. Okay, now let's have a look. Everything's working properly. We're gonna have our console open, and if we click to that, it's gonna take me to what? Okay, so this button, we have a link for that in any other place, I guess. Where do we have any other link component? We have this, but this is different, right? See, it's localhost 3000/Adprava. Oh, because in the URL we only have Adprava, So that's why. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this path and we're gonna paste that here. Now if you go to this, I hope this is gonna take us to, yes, the right place. That takes us to right place. Okay, so this URL, okay, so path name, everywhere path I'm gonna change. So path name will change to URL everywhere. Okay, we changed everything. Now in the second one, okay, so add prava happened, we just created the add prava thing. Now I have to create others. All right, so now that we have already created this thing, the add prava project, we have added this title and this subtitle, which is eventually the description, and that comes here as well with a character limit, and I got the link as well working properly. And if we have like this kind of thing, like we have to do slash this and that, we can just put a slash here. So we can put like something like slash projects slash and rotify, like that. Okay, so now if I go to rotify and I go to this, then we're gonna go to project slash rotify, and before that whatever URL we have. So that's a good thing. So we do not have to put manually that dot like slash projects and all that in here. So we can just put that in the data as well. And by doing that we can also give it external links like this. So this is the external link. So now we're going to create second one. Okay, what second one do we have? Let's have a look. Add prava gone, and then we have widget app. Okay, let's create widget app. We have all this. Okay, widget dash app. It's widget dash app. Widget dash app. Widget.app, and the path name gonna be this one. And the subtitle the subtitle is this. Okay, so we have to put that same text here. Let's put same text here. We're actually putting same text here. Okay, and that gives us this subtitle here and the text here as well, and the link also works as expectedly. Right, so we got that. Now let's go to after that. What do we have after that is YunusPK old. I'm gonna add that. Alright, let's add that. Okay, YunusPK dash old. So what I want to do is PK dash old, and the URL is this. And we have subtitle this and body of that same thing this. Mamba33. Okay, now we have Tasker in React. Okay, so we have Tasker in React, and here is the link, and we got this thing. Got this thing, that one, and the same thing here. Now we got next project, Vids fetching app. Okay, Vids fetching app. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. Now we have, okay, we're not gonna have the 7th one. Come on, we're gonna have Vids fetching app, and then okay, we got the Vids fetching app. Now we're gonna have the Pix fetching app. Pix fetching app. The URL gonna be this, and the description or subtitle gonna be this. With the subtitle. Now we're gonna add another thing. I already put YunusPK here, but no, we're not gonna have YunusPK. Come on, like I'm not gonna like give the project that I'm working on. Okay, so I can put probably this Ubumi or Vipalika. Okay, let's put Ubumi. Okay, we can have another project, but I'm not gonna do that because it's so boring to add these things manually. Right, so I'll go back, and now that's it. I guess we have all the real data right now, and if we go here, we don't need to reload, but I just reloaded, and now we got all the real projects here, but we do not have good markups here, just the description. I can create good markups here, or I can create some component to just render MD files, the markup files, and then I can probably add just MD files to this. And that's it, I guess, and yeah, that's it. Now if I go here, we get a new tab and everything here. We're actually going into the project, inside the project. So now right now this project is pretty much real, like I'm fed with real data and all that, and it's ready to host, because no problem gonna be there if I host this thing. So if I go, like if any user go to about, they know that this printer is under development, and everywhere they're gonna go, they're gonna see this page is under development, and they're gonna come here, they're gonna go more, they're gonna have go to this page and it's under development. If they're gonna go here, they're gonna see okay, under development. If they're gonna go any of these, they're gonna go to actual thing that I have already linked here. This also, and this is in a Medium article. So all of these are actually backend supported, and now these are also real datas. And if someone goes to this, they also go to projects page, which is under development. So I think this project right now is hostable for now, so I'm gonna do, and also this is responsive as well. So it's responsive up to oh my god, up to this position, I guess, up to 300 pixels of width, not 300, come on, up to this, it's 315, up to 315, not 315 here. Okay, I got this. So it's up to 420. So it's responsive up to 420, and that's a lot. I guess that's a lot. So it's pretty much responsive. We got this as well. I got this as well. But yeah, this is not workable right now. This doesn't work right now. The search is of no use right now. So we're gonna work on the search feature as well. But that's a future thing, because like what are we gonna search in this page? Like that's the thing. So that's gonna be in the future, searching thing. Right now we're just gonna go forward with more features. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video, because there's nothing to work on more. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just commit these things, and GCM, and it's a feature, not feature, but it's a data. This is a data, and projects data, not projects data, but landing/projects data, landing/projects, add real projects data, and push that. Okay, so we just pushed some real data, and now I think that's it for this. Let's have a look if we do. Okay, so we've done that. Now I have to design further, and that I'm not gonna record. I'm gonna just sit, relax, and I'm just gonna design further. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share this video. Don't share with someone who will not be interested in these things. Just if someone is interested, then share, and subscribe to this channel to see such development videos, and probably in the future I can create some more valuable videos. I know these videos are not that valuable. It's just I'm just practicing my public speaking and all that, so it's just my for my practice. And also if you like to see people developing apps and websites, you can just see these videos, and it's kind of like a live stream, but I record it and then upload it. So that's it from my side, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.